Wato.
I greet you, Baba.
Wetin.
I say my Yokui do this one here.
Yeah.
See, my brother, you not presenter too. Your wife does still deal with you for years.
Yeah.
Never even one day see your wife carry you come outside, call the beauty for social media.
Yeah.
You not go fit tell me say you and your wife never quarrel since you know that your
They
woman.
talk as if I say I don't come up for us for
So
1 month.
the only
He
way
went Zadi marere. Zadi me alone. Okay, man. I for say Zadi.
Adam,
Okay.
the only way I for Simon help me beg now. Now I wish all these insults of Ogun, meaning breaking of egg not day. I dey see people they talk say, wetin you tell a woman before you come break egg? Wetin she do before I come tell her that word when I tell her? When we left now, I made teacher not fail every school.
Don't be lying.
I beg, me nobody beg for me again. If you want to go live stream 100 times, so she not be small picking or your mama. She know what she they do. This thing has been repeating itself every year. Now you know observe am. Now you know understand. It has been repeating itself every year. So the one that they beg, the thing they vex me. Like I don't know what to stop her. Though I can't live video later, but
Okay.
nobody,
You know, one, I could tell you something.
nobody beg for as in
Listen,
nobody.
one. You don't see talk.
Adam yo, Baba Wagwan. Me nobody beg for me. What my beg. In fact, me they even they pull fire self so that make sure they insult me more. They feel like I don't fucking care anymore, my brother. You understand? Because you know if you tell me that say me will rest, they will come make peace. Then tomorrow, my enemy will come they use that fresh saga. This will not be last year, no. This one a new one. I mean the one could go they put for sound of go they kill you, they craze, I dey hate woman will be say you know fit do, you know fit think. You know that I have enemies.
You make one word just now say nobody is perfect.
No, my brother, not before this
that
kind
word
one.
a very big word. Don't come on like
brother,
that word.
my brother, not before this kind one. All the women where they talk, I never see the one where they come and say I saga their husband for live video.
Yeah.
Now let me. I never see before.
No, not be only you. Now you dey listen now. Many day.
Show me now.
I'm not a popular person.
Show me now.
He dey.
You not be popular person. Social media president not be popular person. Social media president not be popular. If you want to talk with the verse me more, you go say I dare her. Oh, because I dare you. Because you already dare your man to come on live video. Nothing to dare for there. I not dare you. Me, you help me fight for documents. Me, you help me the go lawyer. Me, the guy that they go all the places for this Dutch land. Now to dare you to come disgrace me, to come cost me, to come disgrace me after you don't disgrace me, but you come calm down. Then of course settle. There's nothing that they are not seen before. See KO family. They're not there together again. KO family.
One. You feel like me still talk tomorrow.
KO family, no day. KO family not there again.
But you see, say KO family, not talk for you yourself. You know see him.
You see?
You know see earlier, but Sifu cut off. I say, Mr. Sifu cut off for yourself. We need earlier, but not verse Mr. Sifu if you are still watching us. He said, Mr. Sifu.
All those ones own. They don't go their separate ways.
They never go. You know, Mr. Sifu talk.
I tell you, they don't go their separate ways.
May I tell you, bro? Wetin Mr. Sifu talk just now. He say if Mebeka come out and apologize for what he don't do, he say he will forget. You know, we'll call social media again, can talk about the matter. He said it just now. Everybody did hear.
As I did so, I don't even need any apology from anybody. You know, say this life with this one, you get the way you go to offend person, and you will they offend as you be now Don Prince. You get the way I go to offend you. Now me supposed to tell you sorry, But if you can't react, you get the way you can't react, Yeah. Now you will tell me sorry. Me no go tell you sorry again. The apple so. That's why they talk. Say me nobody apologize for my behavior. Me nobody beg anybody.
Okay, maybe you did not see
anybody want to go. If you love me, don't beg for me.
Okay, no beg for you. Give me a true light inside here. One, you did this media. You see the topic they will be past this one. Where you the handle for your media. You don't handle topic with big part this one. You handle it successfully. Wetin come be your own way, not fit handle. You know, say as
My
this
brother.
bro,
Now
this thing, bro.
that the
Like
thing,
say I
don't
talk for 2
Prince.
minutes now.
Don't
Give me
Prince,
2 minutes.
if you talk like this, Adam, you go bless you, they mock me. You know me to Giagno.
Why you
Because
talk?
you know go tell me say you who not know you as old too for this TikTok. Who not know you?
Everybody know
Your wife, me they see your wife. Your wife has never you and your wife never called and you want to tell me so say.
we dey call it, that mean their own.
Okay, your wife not get your TikTok account.
Wait, listen.
Your wife not get your TikTok account to go live.
You know, she say me they beg my man and say this media way they already do. Now
My
this
brother, I make times now small picking. I don't want to invest me. Mama Noah. How does they beg?
because
Since 2022, since 2020, since 2022.
Enogie, may you still dey lis ten to me. Your old woman, why they do this one? Maybe people not call them. If they feel say people they look at like mumu. If they say so, now the way her brain Richard they tell you so. She they feel say many people call they look and say if you not act like this, people they say so he will need to express herself. Many people see her say in the fact as a woman. If I not get it wrong.
Nobody is perfect, my brother.
So if you know say nobody is perfect, that is why you have to still be cautioning her.
No,
you see my brother. She has wrong. See, he cut your way.
I tell you, don't please. I wish as my wife your come assist there. She they made me. They like all those kind of made now. Which kind of man you be? Those kind of
off camera.
No, even if say she they do all those things online, it was still okay for years. Yeah, okay. Don't praise. You know what it mean traditionally.
That ego ni now. We matter gleaning him.
Not true now. I swear to God, I swear my father's not truth now.
You know, he come out for night.
You egg, you don't. I didn't know enough on that way. He say me talk say. If me don't see document, me go come out. Wait till you they do before I can tell you that kind of thing. Wait till you they do the man. I just sit down belefu say if I don't get the I come out. Okay, with all this character what they happen so now you expect me now to get document tomorrow I can't deal with her because of waiting now. See, let me tell you something. The downfall of a man now two things. Is either a woman or money. You get my own mother. No fit carry air come out for night swear for me. My mom. Then if that man come talk tomorrow say if Valo,
and you know say that video now they will take the beat that they will call the use for now every
then after we don't do all this rubbish now, it could be like say he beats me for that girl. Even if you say you want beat me for that girl, it will be indoor. Even if you say you want still do am in a way, you go the beat our two. You know that was the not the way she never do. No the ogun way never cause. I mean,
what's your quarry? Zaddy baby, Larry, what's your quarry? What's your quarry?
Then nah. Not be to settle the problem. After we don't settle now, which eye they want to look you? Tomorrow now, person can't cost me for social media. You as a wife who can't talk say you want to go saga that person.
Not even know the features. Even though say my wife come out tomorrow, my wife can't insult me. That not stop me for anywhere. That not disturb my personality. Enogie don't. No, all those ones we do today. All those ones. Come out today, talk up many things against me. Say this.
All those ones we do so.
That not stop me. Say not be all too for those about space. Many people come out and tell me say wife all the do. Say maybe you all never come out.
Brother, no woman for this life will not be true as give yours
now. You never reach your body for media. He come and say you perfect pass.
No woman for this life, will not talk to your husband. Even you say not cause him, but no woman for this life when your husband they get problem.
Many women they carry their husband come, more they talk to Enogie. We they sell for this media. Many women they carry their husband come media.
No, please. Okay, why your own never bring you?
It must now bring me come out before you come to say women.
Because if your own bring you come out, the advice me like this, you go there tell me yes.
Okay, you they get joy. Okay, you want me
I go they get joy say you don't experience what you have experienced.
Oh wow.
Yes. No, because see, bro. The truth is this. The truth is this. The truth is this. I don't error. You understand? I don't fuck up. But as I did, I not fuck up. I know.
God bless you for admitting say you fuck up.
I know as I did so, I not call anybody any explanation, give an apology. As I did now. That's why they tell everybody say, you people should stop that apology because that thing they vex me. Like
Bros,
the
me
thing
wey be go to for those about space. I know if you say you
they
had the check, I know cut up put. I know try to put peace. That
my
is why
brother
we are there
rest.
for each
My
other.
brother,
You understand me so?
my
That the,
brother,
you see this girl where the saga now, this girl not do me anything. Now because
my,
of your matter, now make me the saga this girl so. This
my brother, let me tell you
that
something.
baby.
Since I go, drop it there. See,
They say so.
you know what I
No,
still
this your
blame,
matter
man.
because you
I
want to
don't know.
scatter your ass.
Where when I go on, the only why problem, you know the let person they talk.
Every, no verse, continue.
Me, if I talk, if I don't talk, you go.
Okay.
You understand? See, bro, this Europe marriage, like you deal with woman for year, you see me the go do bride price in Nigeria. I go dey advise my fellow men. I say me they not try out. You know why?
Eh?
Yes, if you want to do marriage, if you never get money, not buy ticket go Nigeria, not do marriage. Yes, me they go put money for us. You know why? Now rubbish, na nonsense. As in, now waiting happen so, and I cut the things for things. Because on the normal, woman wey you use to do for things, bro. Eh? You get to find length when you go
I
and
know
they
they hear you,
talk.
not they hear you again.
You dey over the talk. I want in uta. You want in wita.
Okay. With
You
the
dey
hear
hear
now.
me?
Yeah, with the hear now, yeah.
Since I did so, eh? I will never allow any man we go come meet me for advice say, hey pa, I be want do marriage for you or may I put money for us. I'll tell the person say no, not put money for us, not do any marriage. If you want to do your marriage, buy tickets with your wife, go use and take do bride price. They'll kind of follow the normal process. Because you see, some of all these women will be saying, man, they're not used to do all these things. Eh? Now they make them they do anyhow, bro. Woman when you used to do the necessary thing, you have to certain things. You know, time. You know, time. Forget see finish or not see finish. Forget say the man. But nobody they feed me. Oh, the most thing they see from me, they like to they sustain myself. Government make a pay, eh? But I'm not broke. But I'm not still rich. I do it me.
Now the year where the thing they crack. Why they crack?
You they feel like so.
The year now.
You don't understand so.
Yeah.
So before you do anything marriage, make sure say you as a man you don't get document. Me, I'm talking from experience. If you get document, go do your marriage for us. Carry the woman, go do the necessary thing where they need to know for us. If that woman come back, if you not get issue like this, you know, I swear to God, because if now you have boom, number one, who you have you wa. This may not my know that you have you wa. That's one. Two, as a man, it gets some kind of things we be say. If your husband offend you, I know they claim say na make on no pass. If your husband offend you, you get the limit to your reaction. You get the limit to your reaction on live stream. If you know that they swear for me for his house, I'm women, this one not going to be something to talk about now. If I don't love you, nobody will know what is happening.
Oh, that's true.
That is the truth.
That's
But
true.
you coming to do all this one, but people, men they will give woman belly for Nigeria. Their wives, you see, forgive them. I'm not encouraging any man to go and cheat on their wife,
My mother too
but
react.
but
React.
but the one with me do so, me never even sleep with her. I just chat. I want to mogun begi on by live video. See, bro, my short advice to all the men out there: if you date Europe, you and a woman date together, not put money for her head for Nigeria. Me, you can't do marriage for here. Na rubbish. Now nonsense. If you do, you will regret her. Because that woman not go know say you put money for her head because now for there for tell them everything. What did they tell person for phone and what did they use the eye see difference day? That's why you see some women today now, no matter what, they can't bring their husband to down in public. Not because they fear the man, but because of the thing where they are ahead as a married woman. There are women that do not know that they are married and they say they be married woman. They don't know the traditions and the custom guiding it. As I've earlier said, me myself, I still error. Because from the beginning, if I just close that chapter, blocker, hero as a married man that I called myself. You get I owe my wife an apology for like 1 month before.
God bless you.
For like 1 month. Anytime I call her video, I'll say, I beg you. Because of the thing they do me for SARS, me go to say, Walawa, go me, people go to say, but the woman not the talk now. You know, people go on like, no understand, say, Walawa, go me, what do you do this in Enogie self? If you call her, you go to see me, they help and they beg you, wife. They don't know, so now what they happen for SARS. You understand? Now they make me, they toss me, they beg. But, bro, no begging here. I don't owe nobody any apology anymore. Because the apology has been
Not the click, it doesn't see.
The apology has been jeopardized with Ogun, with Isago, with this thing. No women should come and tell me that you don't get and you want to react. Before you talk as a woman for this issue, you go show me video where you
Okay, Enogie, may I ask you one question? What of if Mama Nora still come out, carry that egg, the same egg, still go to say everything where you talk, he return and say, bless you, upon your heart, do everything where you defend will reach you, because it have of camera.
You know, normally before, if we get issue like this, we all still forget how we say ball, we go to talk calls, use water, use what we believe to everybody. But now, before anything first, goat must pass this one come. Now.
Okay, goat must pass this one come.
Goat must pass this one come. Now she go know the way she take go do all those things. Now night she dey do. Before anything can be done here, it has to be from Nigeria.
Why the thing they shake? They shake.
Now your network, it has to be done here. In Nigeria, I don't know want to go call you. You know who you are calling out. When I remember that day when one woman come on live stream, come to say, Papa Nora, you know, remember me again. Now me now, that woman, I be your in-law. You feed us that day. Now remember, the way you get the way I play game. So the woman can't win before the woman can introduce herself. So I paid her bride price. Not be say comedy. So with what she do, so she need to go. She need to go for. She need to go for. Yes, she need to go for cleansing. Then though from that side, return all the cost she used it this way for me before I feed her food again.
When they talk that, I call the facing her live. I never see the video. I call the facing her live. Now when you can use your mouth talk and I say she read one. You get the way it be.
Normally, she has right to be angry with me.
That one
as a wife. But she can't overdo one now to come make her now offend me. Yes.
So,
you not get people who want to for this issue who now believe because they never do it to you as a woman. You as a woman will want to contribute for this thing. You never want to bring your husband come public. Social media or no social media. I wait till they person man.
My wife said, "Get what I want to tell you." I bet talk to people about today.
Hello, Mr. Enogie. Good afternoon, sir.
See, we know they play love. Me and you know they play love.
Our wife, how you doing now?
Don't come and
I'm fine. It's my first time speaking with you this year. Please.
Yes.
I tell you in the name of God, please. Settle your home.
No, I don't. Our wife.
You are a good man, and I also love your wife too. Please. She's a sister.
Our wife.
Our wife.
Our wife. I believe you and my brother Don Prince. You guys have in one way or the other also have misunderstandings indoor. You know, nowhere perfect for this life. No relationship is perfect.
Now, this is my wife. He stop apart Mama Nora. He stop apart Mama Nora. Don't be like the talk.
Yes. No, now they come. Then, madam, now your wife don't want to throw this question to so.
Yeah.
As your husband don't provoke you rich for his house, don't do you some kind things as a woman. You get your husband live stream, even if you say you not get TikTok handle. If you want to go live on your husband, if you don't, but have you ever even thought of that from the beginning? You don't ever think of that kind of thing?
Not at all. I've never done that. No, not at all.
Will you ever do it someday?
Say, will you ever do it someday?
No, I'm not planning to do so.
No, is it the way you know answer? Oh, one of the list,
Okay.
you know answer.
So
You
you are
know,
not
as
so
you
you are
answer
not
that
planning to
question,
do so.
you can say, you can say no. That no, not she meant.
No, the prince. The prince. The
I know what
prince.
they talk because you
The
know they
prince.
ask her because say, no,
The
I'm not to
prince.
get you.
Make you firstly carry you come
You
my
know,
side
when
first.
not turning. You know, answer that question again, beg.
The prince.
Oh, one. Oh, why did you do?
The
Oh,
prince.
one. When not turning, like, Baba.
Our wife, you dey hear me? It's a
Yeah,
piece
yeah,
of
I'm
I
listening. I'm listening.
say someday will you ever do such a thing to your husband, the father of your children?
Not at all. No, I'm not having that in mind.
Despite okay,
Mona record here down. Mona record here
see,
down.
see, you see, WhatsApp marriage. I will be preaching on it from now henceforth. If you want to marry, if you don't get document, forget about that. Even if you don't about 30 for you, forget about the marriage. Because at the end of the day, if if your husband offend you, like what happened to me now, at the end of the day, you as the woman not feel use wisdom. You as the woman not feel use wisdom. Then
On this side.
I know say not be your.
I know
I know say
I'm
not.
not give my wife talk to you. Yeah, no get the talk. My wife want to talk to you. Can I go palo go talk to her?
I know
Like,
say
mother
they hear me, Baba.
yeah, I dey hear you.
I know say not be all women who we girl take fit do that kind of thing, but bro, your man gbe wo you now. Na so you go take day.
Ogbe wey no get. As far wey you use your mouth talk and say he carry hair come and dey swear for your enemy for night. We the
You know
Building
what?
Association.
Apart from
Magwayosi.
apart from carrying of egg, you go too much. The insult was too much, bro. The insult on me was too much on live stream.
No,
And
you're not.
traditionally, before anything must be done here, it has to go from Nigeria. It needs to go from Nigeria. If you not go from Nigeria, the people will put up with you go marry them. Wait. You can be
No,
in the same house with a woman.
oh, now
You
is
can
that
be in the same. You can be in the same house with a woman and cooperate without touch that woman again for life. That's it. I don't want to come shout or talk too much, but I think I just want to be this one.
no, as far you don't talk and say your family say you have to do cleansing. Either they call cleansing.
No. My family did not say me. Now they talk and so now.
Now
As
waiting
person we
you
put money
start.
for yes.
Now waiting you
She
talk
need to
on your
go contact
you
my elder brother. Then all those ones you can't go use the mouth talk with the happen. How you cut react. Think the reason why did they call them before we start from there. That's it. Because now the way woman be for his house, now go make you carry the woman sit down, tell her say, I only see what they go on, see the chat with me, and this get the chat on. You get, but at the end of the day, as far that one was not, I don't make mistake for them say, oh, I not tell her, and it can't come aside. She as a woman, we know say, your husband a public figure. Best way they put money for her head, should have also used her wisdom. Because a lot of people they call the talk, this one wrong. I'm not saying I'm not wrong, but now how can she now undo what she has done? She need to go undo her from Nigeria. She go buy goats, all the things they say me she buy. She go buy all of them. Go do a call from here. She go do a call here. She go
but if you
return
want to
everything.
go have money on live video.
No. Like if you don't do all those ones, then she'll come on live, come return the cost. Then that is it.
Okay, peace go different
On
there.
man
But after you don't do this one, you go see apologize to her wait for her rush after you don't do this one.
I'm on our way. Yes, of course now. No, see, bro. Then matter don't finish. The matter is finished already. So that when this kind of issue come next time, she'll know what to do about it.
That's true.
Forget Europe, they cover many things. The kind of nonsense where you say nothing happen for Nigeria, they happen for year. Bro. Because the Europe side, waiting with you because where you normally you know not they feed me. She's not the one feeding me. The live streamer for the talk so Obama Gbeme, forget. Say, I never get the coup.
Thank
I be
you.
businessman. I dey go MCs mostly every week, and I know how much they pay me for MC. Not be beans. I not be small picking for MC work. I not be
No.
200 euro. I not be 200 euro MC. Outside that, social media is paying if you know what you are doing there. Social media is paying. I have a Facebook. I have TikTok. I have YouTube. So with all this money where they come, so I still dey okay. Obama Gbeme, my brother. If anybody knows say
You
Enogie
try.
don't come borrow me money, at
Okay,
the end of the
Enogie.
day,
Okay, we
I
again.
cannot come pay back.
Temptation must come. How your
And
wife come?
she will not bear the consequences of her temptation, or she just call off the marriage. Finish. That's it. I cannot continue to take embarrassment every year because I get hot temper with my friend's house. Because before we go into any misunderstanding, what they come into our heart now,
I saw my video. I saw the video where she take come and where you continue the praise you say now
you understand? So
you stand
make
for
her
her.
the
And you make
support you
everything
for
better.
nonsense. They call the clap for her. Now those that the same people now where she go carry follow body, go to beg man, go to appease the gods of my father's family. Yes, because I pay a bride price. So traditionally, a man have rights to any woman. But don't not me say make I cheat, make I call the claim right because I get rights. Bro,
Enogie,
since
you know that
2022, Baba, now because of children, I never come out to not be say I don't know my will, bro. I
because
know the
children never
cause.
come out. You don't want to leave
Yes,
your wife.
yes, because of children. Yeah, and they talk this in last stream now. Because I want my children to know me more a little bit. Yeah, because but as it stands now, I don't give it them anymore because may God not let me die today. My children will still live
You never
with
reach
or
like that.
without me.
Your woman is supporting
Bro,
you.
no, Baba. This one now fresh audios to 2027. I bet with you, bro. 2027 she will do another one. If it's not allow me to put money, she go do. In fact, the one we go do next year go worse past this one. Because the one we should do this year now worse past last year. Now every year they think the worst since 2022.
Okay,
So
she dey online. She dey online with my woman. You want me to carry her come make she come talk?
Baba, I have nothing to do with that woman until she go to my family and appease me because of my family. That's it. I know they eat her food. I think kebab for the next 1 month. But I
Is
still be my
he
way.
came back for the next 1 month?
Yes, but I not be my way.
Is
Even her pot,
he came back for
I
the
know.
next 1 month? We after
Yes,
like
yes, bro. Even yes, Baba, you want that's an abomination. Yes. What
bro,
she did is an abomination.
listen,
Do you know what?
Ogbon
Let me tell you.
kebaba.
May I tell you? May I tell you what egg mean in the spiritual realm? Egg is a very disastrous thing.
Now they send us gift. Erio.
Egg is a very disastrous thing. All those women they talk say, because they talk say if you get document will come on. Let me tell you, women deal with the bring my countries Europe.
Thank you, Sugar.
Women deal with the bring my countries Europe, and then the mag will still live then. They
That's,
never want to carry air to swear for them.
that's true.
When my wife the verse, my wife
Thank
my
you.
man not at the verse, she not the think of say she get children for me that moment. She will do that thing which you want to do. If the thing don't clear about memory, and you will party. Not the think again that moment of if you do what you want to do. Every year, about me myself, because no women when they do this kind of
It
this
dey
is
crack. It dey crack.
no woman that does this thing that she's doing. That's why I talk just now say, now maybe offend her, but right now, she can't offend me
Now thank you. Now thank you. Now what they send you. Now thank you.
because she overreacted. You dey feel am.
That's true.
Social media president, as he husband don't do rich. I know the quarrel with me, don't see beg mama for his house, if I beg, una rest. Social media president wife never come out when they come disgrace your husband for live video.
That's true.
So if I say me I still rest now, more continue, then I'm a stupid man and I deserve every insult he has given to me.
Like a traditional man. This way it also traditional men dey here. 3,000 plus.
I deserve Every if I say me I
3,000
rest now, man.
man, you
If
talk
I
as
say
a
me,
traditional
if I say
man.
make I rest now, then listen. If I decide to rest today, then I am giving rooms for her to do it next year because I once in a year something. As far as she don't do it for April, I know do I get in this year go finish. Then the one we go do next year go worse because why? When she do the thing, she does it even a park come for one at that time. You don't forget. I think that was in 2 years
Yeah,
old. A
I
park come
know.
settle one at that time for my house. Last 2 years. A park come say why where we can't return that cost for a park present for midnight. Bro. But this time around, she has to go to my family. Or maybe she not refer to me as her husband and give for public until the cleansing
But
is done.
that means the matter, me this is that this matter don't tie right. That means the matter is strong. Oh,
Then
not
you they
the way me they
then
look
you they
am. Oh.
then you they pretend because you know if you talk say you know this me that way my wife insult me.
I
It
see
get
them.
one way. It get one way
You
happen.
never see me like
It
this.
get one way
Wait,
happen
wait,
last 2 years.
Enogie, you never see
It
me
get
like
one
this. I
Adam
call
we Baba
you
Adam we get one way happen last 2 years. I not coffee bearing again. I can follow and do the saga. That one call hot. Even the KG carry on that time self. Even before we do our marriage. When she dey do all these things, I can say, I've been because we never do marriage. May you put money for May 2024. July before our wedding for October. Now that one was past. You know, like play, rest. Last year, not lad, but it still happen. People can't sit up, put an eye away. This year, nah. Eh, she does not have anything she does not have any justification for me to go live and she go insult me. That's it. When she see people they support her, it go they smile. When she see people they against her, it go you at her life. Shasha wo, I'm gonna go put the top for her now. As I can't they sleep, it can't carry prick, it can't make zoom. Prick where you enter because you're all wet. You feel and say prick enter you enjoy her. No. You not talk, you think enjoy her. You not talk every all those things. So now the one way, even you take that play love finish on net, you go carry pre. That's it. Yeah, talk with married woman not supposed to talk. That's why I talk say before you put money for woman head, carry and go Nigeria. Not do marriage say may they go put money you there yeah. No, if you do it, you will regret her because why? She do not know. You don't know whether they put money for your head. She don't know because she not see anything. There are some kind of talk we married woman supposed to talk. There are some kind of words who married women supposed to use. But she they talk above limit because why? She don't even know whether they put money for her head.
Say me everybody power tap with the power tap too low. Everybody should power tap,
From
please. Everybody should
from
power tap.
from
God bless you.
from a relationship to she don't born one, born two, born three, born four. From there, we don't put money. So she don't feel She don't feel like, oh, we really go Nigeria, go do marriage. Am I regretting? No, I'm not regretting. But it is not a lesson to other young men that wants to do marriage and say, do this. Except say maybe the woman, a person where you yourself say no, say, you not go feel they do all those things. So, because the truth of the matter remains, if you as a man don't observe your woman, say now that kind of person, just tell her say, don't worry, I haven't been there. If I don't get document, I'll go. If she says she know if you stay, make it go. Because if she go ask come back, she go arrange herself. If you see some kind things, she go arrange herself. Say, this one, if your husband do some kind things, beat him, but to a limit and you can't do me the rest things for yourself because I don't know they're going to talk for public. So at the end of the day, now more these days, the reason they bring to me and herself. Because the people you want to go tell say, your husband, mommy, I cover for you, or good they pay you, at the end of the day, talk call. The people you go report to now, when you stay inside. Back to the spirit day. It's not because we come to the test and nothing but our spirits. Spirit follow the dirty spirit too. The people you are telling has no help to render
The
to
thing they
you.
cook, it doesn't they crack.
The people you are telling has no help to render to you. So this time, it's either she follows the normal process of the family way to do the appease and cleansing, so that before she do anything next time, she will say, never do yagbe way or man not going to follow those processes.
This one now we put it stop. Don't worry. This one just
You
that say
understand?
go to
Yes.
overreact. You understand?
No, not be
Just
this
that
one.
say
This one don't pass media. This one don't pass media. That's my
Yes,
law, and it must stand.
I believe
I
you.
did
We'll
not
see.
eat her food until my elder brother, which stand for me as a Okagbe, tell me say, okay, the cleansing has been done, everything has been done. Then before we come here, before she come do another apology again for me. She now owe me apology, not be me the whole apology.
But I know, but after he do all this one, you know, so that because Wetin happen, when me can react to this level. But after he
My
do all
brother,
this one, you will still come out and apologize to her
my,
for the pains we
my
still
brother,
cause her.
by that time, I now know what to do for her. To tell her sorry. Not just an apology, but I now know what to do for her.
Like say
But
you buy her
if
that model, you buy her that
if
model, that model
if
you have,
if she
you
can't
buy
say
her
she not
that
do am,
model.
if she can't say she not go do am, then I dey talk this now publicly. She have no
No,
right till further notice to refer to me as a husband.
no, she will do am, she will do am, Enogie, she will do am.
She have no right to refer to me as her husband
Oh well, oh well,
until further notice.
oh well, she will do am. Meanwhile, call her now. She say she get wetin she want talk.
So my brother, na bye bye you.
We'll see. God bless you. Enogie don talk. 1 hour. We'll see, Baba. One don talk. Now see the way he talk in mind. He talk everything. So Mo call Mama Nora and Mo here for Mama Nora. Please, everybody, if you know say you never follow us, today is your first time joining us. Please give us a follow. Give us a follow. One bring Mama Nora in. I mean Mama Nora talk in mind. Everything where your husband talk, Mo ask a question. So please, everybody, power tap and connect with this page. Please, no bias. All we are doing here is to settle this family. Make peace reign. Now, some all of us see what you know. You talk just now. You talk in mind. So God will bless you now. So may I come Mama Nora now. If you know say you get any gift for us, just the do and God will bless you. Sabo bless you. Why you see? Let's come Mama Nora. Hello, Mama Nora Koyo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Wait, Mama Nora, wait. Any of our gift, I'm gonna just follow them. Any of our gift, I'm gonna follow them. Mama Nora, I greet you.
So,
You dey here since you dey listen to what your husband dey talk since.
I guess more and not today like that.
Okay, you dey small.
I see listing anyway. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, listing. Yeah.
Okay. So number one, you want me at first give you or you want me to talk? Wait. Hello.
No, you say?
You want me to explain, give you, or you want to talk first?
Explain.
Now,
Where those go to? Mama,
fair wait, my explain. Fair wait, my explain. If you look the topic now, I say, Mama Nora, oh, too fast, come beg you. We come beg you, say, may you for ceasefire because of many things what they see for media since about you and your husband. Because of what happened about this Zadi baby. Zadi baby Osoko.
Yeah.
So now, me no know say you carry egg come out take go sue for your husband for night. Me come dey see and say wait, listen. May you wait first now. You talk your own. No, the way it happen. Wait, Mama Nora, you will talk the way it happen. So wetin me dey talk now is that me I say for wetin me dey see, me not know the time where you take do, but me come dey hear where they use the saga your enemy say you carry hair come out. So when me ask your husband just now say now true say you really bring hair come out, he say yes. Say you use and call it swear for your enemy. Okay. Talk on this area. Wait, Mama Nora. Talk on this area more here.
Okay, it was not done public, it was done private, and at the ways of math, now make I do one. Now see the way I hate my head. You don't do that with this crowd, now person man show. Now if I sorry, your mind go calm down. I can't tell you say, you know, since I when you don't remove your leg for road. Without words, I believe say spies go bust for that public. I know they like, I don't care let the whole world say she's a bad person. So me another one enter, let the see if na enjoyment I say. I don't get wrong with the break. If you want break me, break. So when a man is trying to play game with you,
Mama Nora, where me dey? Now you dey say if you want break me, break. You know what you are saying. You are happy that the devil. Do you know that your home that you have been building for a very long time, See what you they talk for public. If you want break, may break.
Wait.
But you know, say as a married woman, Mama Nora, as a married woman, you not get right to carry heck come out. Make it swear for your husband.
That one I wrong, cannot do one for public. Now instead for see, and I wait till you tell me make me do one. I don't see you not go get document, so I not be God. I be God with the give the king, or because they give document. Now where's when you say me when they do all this, so you not know say I not love you again. A document make me tell you. As you cannot get the document, we are together. All team, everybody work out you. I said no, because I don't know, I don't see your face when you come in. Because now we tell this thing for a very long time. Maybe now let God go delay that, delay your document. All the time they send it on my hand.
Why cut? Mafia. Wait to another verse, your cut. Mafia.
Hear me.
We dey hear you now talk. My own.
Yes,
That's actually where I do it. But now the words of math, now you push me. And now make me ask you a question. Yes, now say, when we day inside crowd, person mash you. To be your one verse. But if he tell you sorry, you'll calm down, be. And not get a person when they deceive outsiders. Yes, I know all this. You're a toss. I just a laugh. You get what you woman go do, you go regret her. I not regret her, although I don't retrieve her back, but I not regret that my action. I dey agree. So this thing you do not good before the thing ever come out. You dey constantly the dweller. Say you get the right, and so you get the right, but you go make video, you go open camera for public and say, I'm not perfect, so I know what I did is not good. I know what I did is not good. But after all camera, you'll say you be mad. In our tradition, man get to marry. What that man was expecting as you come and fight that guy. No man go toast woman, go call tell a wife for his son, say he toast woman. But once you see say this thing don't cast, you not get it again. Okay, any moment you create a media, you yourself know say this thing don't cast, you don't boss. All the time you are betraying this guy. What you they threatening her for, you not let you talk. Only this guy block me, what you make her block me, not let you talk. Wait till you come play for media, you know say you definitely play audio for media. That means supposed to play that audio for. Before on the 666 waiting the apple, I know say you go quarrel with me. You ever feel like you feel like to me say I want to see if I feel collect something for you, do not be my fault. I say you know they see money, cannot get the same money. If you feel like those kind of even for those things nourish your mind, or you not be my fault to when you use that collect for most things for you, do I don't know say go over me like this, so I go quarrel with you, you not tell me anything, you are still claiming right on top. You look into my face and say there the document in the mark man, we are one now, make the document come because of document. I say I swear that document don't go like get that. As far as me and you did together, you don't go get that document. I say we break up because you have been using this word. You have been using this word. Don't be like that. How long? I don't do for private for public part. Now private I for do. I don't get to the claim good man for public. That is just the problem. It put the claim good man for public. Which woman?
Mama Nora.
I go there with the shaft my wife. I say sorry.
Mama Nora.
Then the woman go come out once. Where's of him at?
So abusing. Hello, how are you?
Okay, Mama Nora, have you talked to you now?
He's so abusing. If they talk,
My thought was like, if this man be like this, me and you go call and come out. If this man be like this, me and you go call and come out. Why all this for public? For they call your woman say your woman a bad woman. Clap for yourself, bravo. And I don't care. I don't care. Because I word of a man we go do something pride. I lead us to this public. So pride. Pride, ego is too much.
Mama Nora, not be only no get pride. All Binime get pride. Mama Nora, not be only no get pride. All Binime get pride. Not be listening. Mama Nora, hello. Mama Nora, not be only no get pride. All Binime, 90% of Binime get pride. I must tell you the truth. 90% of Binime get pride. So not go the feel that no get pride. Me with this so I still get pride. I still get pride. So Mama Nora, what I want to beg you now, this matter now, you know, get your husband, you know your wife. You dey see, so we dey see the way two of them dey do things. Una don forget, and one thing wey no get the verse for you for say the way you take the carry things come media, it dey get a be. You dey see, even though my woman dey talk to her just now, he dey tell my woman say you and the priest not dey quarrel, but you never carry the priest come out for media one day. Hello, Mama Yora, you dey hear me?
Yeah, because I get visitor, let me dey come get visitor here.
Okay, so he asked my woman just now say, the priest wife, you never carry the priest come out for this media one day. People they wait, may my wife carry me come out. They don't see him. Now me call the quarrel, they say, no gay. Who hold them we hold to la dia?
Epa, the first girl we fellowship, he lied against me for that girl. He commanded that girl to insult me. This way, again, she want to shit you. She
It not involve me. Don't bring me down for you. Don't bring me down for my fellow woman. You bring me down. I did not even hear from.
But did you hear from the girl? Wetin they bring you down? You don't hear
you
her?
don't expect me. When that girl thought say me call the video you send about your wife.
You said about your wife. I believe once because you don't fair talk and you don't fair apple. You don't fair apple. You say that because with the quarrel, I make you don't go that girl house. In this very matter with the quarrel, we don't even say we quarrel reach.
No, they
I
send us
feel
gift
no,
to
she asked me
me.
now say before this quarrel, how long we don't quarrel reach? I don't remember again because the home was so peaceful. You know, say this so peaceful. This thing they call. You could have known say this is a demon. My person will go scatter my house. So as me and my wife not the quarrel for so long. Must you carry woman to bring me down? The verse, I get every right to verse. If my husband say pride, no worry, they tell me sorry. Which one they go they tell sorry when I say now Wetin I want do? The way me for take act first, everybody of for they against me. Don't for say na me they support my husband. I wish he go.
Mama Nora, you feel listen to me. You feel listen to me small. Mama Nora, you feel listen to me small. Hello, Mama Nora, you feel listen to me small. You see what you talk just now, say it to say that accord with you, and now you forever support and pass. And when I go make banana for, so when we only based to use that one, still say forgive her based on say of a made a mistake in it. I believe say this mistake no take. We beg a zaddy baby, you say wala, a zaddy baby yagbe wodo, a zaddy baby or baby corner na, or literally, zaddy baby.
I'm not leave you. I get visitor. I get important visitor.
So, Mama Nora, Wetin me go tell you now? Wait, will I say I'll call you later? Maybe you talk for his house, okay? I'll call you though. Yeah, we wanna taxi. But Mama Nora now body see the hot. Investor no give body see the hot. Now person wey body not the hot, so that be Zaddy baby. It's only Zaddy baby that his body is not hot now. Zaddy baby is enjoying now, playing different music. Zaddy baby is playing different music. So Mama Nora body see the hot. No, you see me they bring her up. So Mama Nora body see the hot. So
the priest.
yeah.
Let's see, Baba. Ni atana na medicine after death. Maybe that one. Where you the talk so? You the talk na medicine after death. See, person will be say, you the laugh. If Mama Nora offend you, for example now, he go tell you sorry. You know yeah. Maybe you can't verse. They look you. Go tell you sorry, no verse. Or they look you. If Mama Nora tell you sorry, no verse 2 times on the spot.
Enogie, you get what she talk just now. She said that egg go. It's not you bring her come out for media. Say that egg go not be she bring her come out. It's not you bring that egg come out for media.
Because why no bring her? I need to let the world know. Person way no fit tell person no verse past 2 times. Now the quarrel say may I use body may I use a cut the rubber body for more than 1 hour. If you not person a bit beg now, she say I know her. She has never apologized to me. Oh. Now only 2 times in 7 years. Then she don't apologize to me.
Only 2 times.
Now mama even tell her say may you apologize to me. Understand? Since 7 years. So all those ones she talk so say blah blah blah. She know say the matter don't pass the way be because if you not go do cleansing, if I hear all and nothing can be done. I rather go to buy food for outside the day I no fit cook than for me to eat her food or sleep with her. You get?
Yeah.
You know, get home, the body. You don't forget when me first to see me na nice person. I'm not a nice person. But inside there, the insult is too much.
Okay. Person want to talk to you, Zuga.
Man will go sit down. Man go sit down for share. Wag bebonya, because of the verse. go for big batting. As me see be so, if my sister don't want to your husband, I don't talk to my sister for the next 1 month. Because of my own wife for us. I'm not go eat. No any other thing I know that now. She could just they marry her there.
This matter not easy. For you can they talk like this now, see, because this way, even though you want to do that, you not make her do all these things. Me
No,
go
because I look and say that something where I feel handle. I don't still try to call her mother. So I still know what mom still tell me. So maybe they go do it for Nigeria come. They do it for Nigeria come. Go spend money.
You be the man, warrior you were.
She just spend money finish.
I
I go clear. Thank you, my brother. I want enter class. I dey go school.
Zuga want to talk to you. Zuga, quick talk to her.
I'll come back by 4 o'clock. I want go school.
Good afternoon, Enogie. Good afternoon. Now, what really make me come now? Don't priest, I be want to ask something. Get what you ask Mama Nora just now. Say, can they hear this word from her? Always say, she bring me down for where the woman did. She bring me down for where the woman did. Don't priest ask Mama Nora just now. Say, how you tell no say bring you down? What till you hear?
Because
So that means she know. Yeah, she no answer that question. So
You know
that
it,
means.
Zuka, God go bless you. Because say when me and Afe quarrel that time when she knew start all these are rubbish 2022 now to stroke 2023 when I see say the police do too much I can't go to stay my friend's house. When I call to stay my friend's house, if me can't go, my friends will they tell me say that 4 days ago you come, we don't say call again, and you know what don't say call again, and you go call the pillar bill and say it is time to cheat on her. Then I do this one single mother. But they will not get problem. Today to tomorrow, if you don't break up, then we won't get
no, what did they talk? Now they hear.
Because of the anger of police coming to my house always all the time, she can't get the girl WhatsApp number. When she get the girl WhatsApp number, she says she want to call the girl, make it leave me. Now I say you the craze. Person with me this relax for years if you pursue me come up for us. Then you want to say you want to say if you talk to the girl, I'll tell the girl make cost you. Now I got it talk. Now she come for hand to say because say Blizzard not play any audio. One audio she not play when I take bring her down for her. And therefore come believe say school not be scam. Because say something fair happen before you call the use what happen before till they judge what happen now.
Omo not play any audio.
You not play nothing. Sake of say.
So why you not say because that one you talk?
As a school not be scam. When I try go school.
If Omo your talk now say you no get promise say go buy Mama Nora mama. Mama Nora just believe. Say Omo please come and say okay. Mama Nora.
My brother, may I tell you the truth? If Omo please you come out tomorrow, you have to say.
Mama Nora, you don't believe in Mama Nora.
Not be able to
no,
go
you
buy,
need to believe.
not be able to go buy, not be able to go buy my mother-in-law. If Omo please you come out tomorrow, say Enogie say you too mumu. No evidence. So if Omo please you use my talk and say Enogie say you too mumu.
No need to believe.
If
you still say yes.
If Omo please, you hear me? If Omo please you come out tomorrow now say Mama Nora, I know you say you too mumu. You know you're like you now because of document I did there. My brother, they can't saga away. My man go saga me for social media.
Wetin your bliss talk? Wait, Enogie, wetin your bliss talk? He say, I beg.
Not be more please, he don't have fake account.
Una know is who can be this one will be fake account? Na fake account.
Don't Prince suppose no say na fake account now.
More
She no
please not
come here
get.
now.
More please not get.
She no
What
come
she
here.
want play about me and my wife. If not, she for just send them out. Even if she knows about do saga. She don't get anything, bro. But she want play about my wife. Rather, I'm even get one I want play about him, about your husband. Not be even.
So we still get more somewhere.
That
Of
means
course.
she's poor her husband.
No, he only tell me say he husband character not good. And then make him
Okay,
in the
4,000
fight
people
for
they
that.
watch you. 4,000 people they
bring that.
watch you. I never seen this one before. 4,000 people. Look at this is there.
You see,
Mommy,
after they'll say
look at this is there.
after they'll say, oh,
4,000 people they watch you. Bona come on.
the priest,
I don't know where they pass come on.
the priest,
4,000 people they watch you. You make any alare oh.
the
Don't
priest.
carry me oh.
This one, you know, say some people for this
The
for this
priest.
social media, we they look now. You see, say sometimes they say, oh, one they buy Wetin call followers
buy-
or whatever.
They say they buy you
But
now.
they forget say anywhere where it dey, the view where they come, they want them now say
I
na
just
buy.
say
Yeah, now buy still
people
buy.
dey here. I
I
don't know
don't
where
know.
they pass
I
come
don't
on.
know. We dey watch all of una. Don't say we no dey
No,
come up. We dey watch
4,000
all of
people.
una.
They go
Now
follow.
The priest. Now buy still buy this one now.
I just tired. What be your platform be this so?
Tomorrow now, exactly. Not be platform.
So
I need to talk
now,
to you.
now,
Young
now
boy,
the priest. You need to go appreciate me, oh.
ah, me go tire. Your matter self for this media. Now make all of them want chop you raw. They want to chop you raw.
All of them
They
are
want to
in
chop
there
you
with
raw.
Nobody can bring me down. Una do well, una do well. I appreciate. Bye bye.
Bye.
So Enogie, I beg you still take am easy, eh? Okay? You still take am easy. I beg. I know say you don't decide say I be una thank you as a boss lady. Well, where see? Imagine the 4,000 people Larry. Since I did social this TikTok, I never get 4,000 views like this. I don't talk loud. I ban say 4,000 people stand they watch. Well, where say oh, Mona still follow me. Mona still follow this page. Mona know your call come on like that too. Please engage in this video. Follow this page.
You know,
We will-
the priest, you know they come out every day now. So now make us sometimes be like say, you know they come out every day. They come out once in a.
You say, Mona, let her talk. No mute her. Or mute yourself.
I say you know they come out every day. Now your this I don't your waiting call now they mute me.
No verse.
You know they come out every. You know they
They
come
know
out every
If
day.
I come out, I say, they gift me. They know they give me. Imagine it's 4,000 day and they don't give me lion. I don't see baby lion. At least
I
this
don't
man
even
was
know
set to
prepared
school.
today.
Does it say, Don Prince, 002, you they try. Does he give me baby lion? Imagine baby lion. Zuga. You be not the fake. Give me baby lion, Zuga.
I'll go recharge then.
Go and recharge and give me baby lion.
Yeah.
Might get joy. Yeah, though. Make me see baby lion. Make me lion.
No wahala.
Lion lare. Eh? Emani mo lion ne ma. Wa me lion e Don Prince. Wala o. May I see
Yeah.
one lion. May I see shake this media say Don Prince see lion. Imani lion. Zuga.
You never
Eh?
see lion before.
I never see lion before. Oh.
Oh.
I don't know where they be. I don't know where they be, Zuga. Oh, my lion man, wala. Me everywhere still shake. Say, Enogie matter, now they forgive me lion. Zuga, go and recharge and come back, okay? We'll see.
No wahala.
Okay, thank you. So, my people, man, they bring una up. Mona come talk one by one. Admin, they bring them, they come one by one. Mona not rush you, one by one. More stuff we talk on this issue, one by one. Okay, please. Mona not quarrel. May I carry my admin call, me the talk am. Mona the admin, you don't reach up, talk to them.
No, if I'm not sabi talk that at you.
Talk Wetin. No, as I say, me talk, say me they follow us and
Okay, una good afternoon. Abeg, wanna follow us, wanna give us like, abeg, WhatsApp.
moderator, moderator, we wanna follow my moderator.
Abeg, wanna follow me, abeg. I dey do sales, I dey sell bags, I dey sell 2-piece ready to wear. All of them. They abeg, wanna follow me.
Oh yeah, Mona, I dey bring people come one by one, una dey talk.
Okay.
Please unmute
I want
yourself.
come down, abeg.
Good afternoon, sir.
Come, you're mute, abeg. I want come
Okay,
down.
my mute.
No, not be you. I dey tell other people.
Talk
Good
now.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
For me, get wetin I wan talk. Wetin Enogie talk, for me, na truth. Because as a traditional man, na traditional way wife take swear for am. Woman when be say, na I born your children, now you dey follow dey live, now you dey eat the food. E get the kind swear where you not supposed swear from your mouth for the sake of your children. Because as you dey swear for Enogie, you forget. You don't, out of anger, you don't forget, say, this man, they follow me, they sleep bed, though. This man are the father of my kids, so you don't forget all those things out of anger. So what I want to tell Enogie be say, what he really decided, we support her, make him not follow mama, not a do husband and wife thing, not until that course, the returner in a traditional way, the same way when she tell lady course on Enogie, make she still go return her like that. Make she still go return her like that. Because the course not be first, not be second. This is not the first time you are laying course for your husband. And if they really say me they check a document Enogie, or me a document. So this kind of thing risk to take cash per man or a winch. Where we are the quick cash person which put an obvious. This kind of thing now what the cause.
Okay, you don't talk your thank you. Next.
If allow me to want this journey.
Oh yeah.
Doc Chris, I greet you.
Maybe next before.
All I know is sort any of this couple.
I'm a
All I
dad.
know is sort any of this couple, I beg.
Let's just give him this opportunity.
All I know is sort any of this
What's up,
couple.
guys?
Okay, read the ask for everybody that good afternoon. God praise I fit talk. Good afternoon.
Talk now, talk.
We gbogbo call.
What talk? Agua.
Oyo dehin, Oyo parehin. I know you very well.
Okay, God bless you.
The first time the yala do when I him. So Enogie man where anybody no know. The thing they pay me since I they see their saga. We don't need to talk to Enogie. Enogie be man. People where they support Enogie, they support Enogie. People where they support Mama Laura, they support Mama Laura. Mama Laura fuck up big time. As a woman where I be, if your husband offend you, you don't need to come social media. What is social media want to do? Social media go pull raise. Because they don't put the raise now. That's what.
We are not hearing you. Till the break. Hello? It's breaking. Next. Yeah.
I greet you.
God bless you.
What me want this issue? I listen to what Enogie talking. For me, the guy they right too. Because they say who right before. When the thing come too much, you can't be the wrong person. You understand? So now Enogie now decide married. I go put money for your wife. Now I go declare what you want me up for the marriage. You understand? Because for me, your wife do too. Now your wife be that right for this issue, but to the extent we be say wife can't insult your husband for media, those kind of things. You know, say Enogie ask one questions whether you not get wife. Truth. We never see your wife can't insult you like that, which is not fair. We know. So Enogie wrong, fine. Like the way talk, the guy wrong for you not to tell your wife for the first time. But at least Mama Nora go do one in a way we be say it go dey mature. You know, go bring away your husband come insult for public. Because the guy na public figure, we be say everybody don't know the guy. You understand? You know, there's some kind of things when you go do person, that man or woman, when the person can't look the way they handle the matter, you go say, the love will not get for you before you can't increase more. You understand? So
What
me
take too much
manora,
time?
me,
50 minutes.
so me manora calm down. Me calm down.